How to log in IBM Employee Portal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into IBM Employee Portal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in IBM Employee Portal, then hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you directly towards the IBM Portal's dashboard. On the top right corner of the dashboard, locate and click on the login button. You will be redirected towards the login page. Enter your IBM username and password, then click on the login button. And that's it. With this, you have successfully logged in into your IBM Employee Portal. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.